Welcome to Retro Coder. I'm Nate Boffman.
Welcome back to the Retro Coder. I'm Nate Boffman. This episode I'm going to show you how to make a wireless, text-based, retro-style Pandora radio. And the one I got's pretty cool, and I enjoy it almost every day when I want to just relax and listen to music. The best part about this is, without having to pay premium fees or any money at all, you get unlimited skips and absolutely no commercials. Let's check it out. My beautiful Pandora radio, amongst other things, wirelessly connected to my jukebox speakers. The first thing to do is to download Piano Bar and just go ahead and do sudo apt get install Piano Bar. I already have it installed on my system, so when I do type that, it's going to come up and say that I already have the newest version, so it's not going to upgrade it. Next thing you want to do is you want to customize it, because every time that you log into Piano Bar, you don't want to have to type in your password and username every time, or even have to type in a station number. So in order to do that, you have to create that config directory that I just typed in, if it's not already there. Once you've created it, you use the username, password, and then station. I blocked out my information, of course. Now let's go ahead and log into Piano Bar, and as you've seen, it loads Pink Floyd right away. Now the stations are numbered from 1 to 53, and I can just change the station. I can hit next by hitting N, and no commercials, and it just no problems, unlimited skips, and I just push Q to quit. As always, I hope you enjoyed the episode. Until next time, thanks for watching. Sit, Phoebe, sit. Good cat.